Let me show you how to make halva at home. This easy halva recipe only needs 4 ingredients and turns out delicious every time. You'll love the perfect balance of crumbly yet slightly chewy texture that makes homemade halva so special.
Yum.
To make this easy halva recipe, put 250 grams of unsalted skinned peanuts in your blender or food processor. Process them for about 30 seconds until the peanuts are ground, almost like flour. Then add a tablespoon of light olive oil to help create a smooth and workable paste. Adding the oil makes the mixture easier to blend into the smooth paste we need for this recipe. Carefully scrape down the sides of the food processor with a spatula to get all of the peanut bits back down into the mixture, then blend again for about 30 seconds. Then pause the blender, scrape the sides once more with a spatula so we will not have any dry peanut pieces stuck to the sides, and continue blending until you end up with a completely smooth paste. The finished mixture should look smooth and creamy, similar to fresh peanut butter, as you can see in the video here. Getting the peanut paste smooth without any little bits left will give your halva that perfect crumbly texture once it is done. You will see how nice and smooth this halva will turn out when we finish the recipe. Next, beat 1 egg white in a clean bowl using an electric mixer. Start on low speed, then increase to medium-high as the egg white begins to foam. Continue beating for about 2 to 3 minutes until the egg white forms stiff peaks. You'll know it's ready when the peaks stand straight up and don't fold over when you lift the beaters. Next, add 100 grams of sugar and 25 grams of honey to a saucepan, and then add about 2 tablespoons of water. Put the saucepan on the stove over medium heat and stir with a spoon. Just keep stirring while it heats up so it doesn't burn. The mixture will start bubbling a bit as it warms. Keep stirring until all the sugar dissolves completely. Next, carefully pour the sugar syrup into the beaten egg white. Pour it in a thin stream while continuously beating the egg white with your mixer on medium speed. This helps the hot syrup mix evenly with the egg white without making the egg whites scramble from the heat. Keep beating for about a minute after all the syrup is added. The mixture will become glossy and thick, almost like marshmallow cream, as you can see in the video here. Next, add all the peanut paste we made earlier to the egg white mixture. Use your spatula and start folding everything together with gentle motions. You want to be careful not to mix too hard so that you keep all those tiny air bubbles we created when beating the egg whites. Just keep mixing until everything looks the same color and you don't see white streaks anymore. Next, take a container that is covered with plastic wrap or parchment paper and scoop the halva mixture into it. Press the mixture down firmly so it fills all the corners and has a smooth, even surface on top. Then cover the halva with another sheet of plastic wrap or parchment paper so it won't dry out. Then place it in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours, or overnight if you can wait that long. This gives your halva time to set up and get firm, so it's easier to cut later. This peanut halva is sweet and nutty. The honey adds a nice sweetness that goes well with the peanut flavor. When you cut it, it crumbles a bit, but it gets soft when you eat it. It has a lighter texture than store-bought halva. It's not too sweet, so you can really enjoy the flavor. It makes a nice treat with coffee or tea. If you enjoyed this peanut halva recipe, you'll love my moist peanut butter cake with peanut butter frosting here. The soft cake and creamy frosting make an irresistible treat for peanut butter fans. Check it out now!